Hello my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel under Beauty Fashion. So dear friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Amin. So my dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I am showing our all-hate trendy gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and most demanding pixie bob haircut with bangs hairstyles. So dear friends, I must suggest to you, watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So dear friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos, and you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Dear friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So dear friends, you can get ideas. So take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.